It's recording.
Right. We're going to do a midnight drill. Anyone know what that is?
Yeah. Lights out?
No. Lights should stay on. No, blindfold. No, lights should stay on. Lay down, head here, face, feet that way.
Nutcracker!
You ready with the camera?
Yeah, Ben ready.
Play it.
Billy, you ready?
Yeah. Hold on, no, actually, no. Is it on video mode?
Yeah, it's recording.
Standby on the bottom?
No, it's recording.
Oh, it's recording.
Okay, you ready? Alright, you ready? Ready? Go! Come on, faster than that, guys. You get twos on a two.
So you should do it and make him put on the packs.
I don't need sacks. Come on, keep going, don't stop. Don't stop. Pretty close.
Didn't miss a button.
Well, we'll see. Well, hold on.
It's on video.
The cop is doing that. Sure you want this on tape yet?
No, hold on. No, I'm good.
No, you're not good.
Oh, you want me?
You're not. You gotta be fully dressed, and you're not fully dressed at this point.
What? No, it doesn't have to be on unless you have an air mask on, right? No? Hey, that's how Gabe told me, so.
What?
Yeah. You don't need mask on.
What else?
Chill. There's no regulation.
Yes, it is.
There's no buttons.
Chin strap?